All right, everybody, welcome to the wood shop. We got some mail. Let's hit that first. We got Dog Buggy 32, Larry. He sent us a sticker. He also had some of these Gunman stickers, and so we got one of those. So appreciate that, Larry. Put you up here. And we also got the Rusty Glove Box, and Lloyd out there in Texas. So he sent us one, and we got his, and we got you up here on the door here with the rest of the fellas. So appreciate that. Rusty Glove Box, Dog Buggy 32. Go check them out. Okay. Also got some other mail today that I ordered. And what these are carbide tipped lathe tools. You can see this one is like a diamond shape. And then we got the old rounder one there. And then we probably got the one we use most often, which is the square one. And we got a really nice handle. Kind of looks like a nightstick, doesn't it? And gotta tighten them up in there. And so I thought we'd give these tools a try. And I got these from Harrison Specialties, simplewoodturningtools.com. I actually got them from Amazon, but that's where it came from. They sent me a nice notepad too. And so we're gonna give these a shot. So let me get something chucked up on the lathe here, and we'll give it a little test run and see how it works. Nice. All right, wow, I'm impressed. All right, let's take you down here and let's take a look. Man, I'm already impressed. That was smooth. So we'll see about this thing, but I'm digging on it already. It's a lot longer. You can see my hand here. It's really, really solid. I think we found a good tool here. Hope so. But that rounded, that's really nice, and that was, I just got to get used to the speed, but man, that was nice. So, wow. I'm digging on that. Definitely on that. So, anyway, that was just a little test. I had this little piece of oak, and I just thought I'd round it out for you and test it out. That was my trial run. I hadn't used it. You saw it when I saw it. So, all right. So, that's about it for the wood shop. Again, thanks to Rusty Glove Box. And thanks for the sticker. And go check him out. He's always got very creative videos. He has good production value on his videos. And also check out Dog Buggy 32, Larry. Larry is a deep thinker. He always has a lot of good thoughts, kind of makes you think. And he sent me this one from the Gunman. If you haven't checked out the Gunman, that guy does some really cool work. Lives down in Australia, so check him out too. All right, well, that's about it from here. So thanks for stopping by the wood shop. Take it easy.